Hey, Big Rapids Roofing. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing company, and I wanted to make sure that I could get this video over to you and your team so you can learn some tips and tricks on some things you can utilize to rank higher on Google and get more of that higher ranking traffic. So those three things, I'm going to go over three things really fast with you, and those three things will be content, citations, and backlinks. But before I go into those things, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to be able to make sure that by the end of this video, I've given you as much value as possible. So by the end of it, you see that I have some knowledge in this space and you would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out and we can chat. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. Just the only thing that we ask is that let us know what we could have done better to have served you with this video. So let's start with content. So what content is going to be the written words of content that you have on your page, the images, and the images behind everything else. Utilizing content is definitely going to help your site rank a lot higher if you utilize it correctly. So when it comes to the actual written words of content on your site, you're going to want it to be no less than 1,500 words. I see you guys don't have all that many words on your site. I would definitely highly recommend you do a lot more. The reason why you want it to be 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is because you want to be able to pack in as many keywords as possible, but have it more organic and more flowy. If it's just keywords piled on top of each other, the Google crawlers, when they come on your site and read and try to identify what it is that you're promoting, if you are forcing a bunch of keywords into the algorithm, it's actually going to do the opposite and not going to rank you. So we typically do about one keyword per 100 to 150 words of total content. And then when it comes to the images in the forefront and in the background, you would just want those to be saved as the highest ranking keywords in your area, whether that be roofing, roof repair, Grand Rapids, gutters and siding, so on and so forth, right? So let's go into citations. So what a citation is, it's going to be first the main thing that ranks you a lot higher in the map pack section. And what it actually is going to be your business name, your business address, and your business's phone number as it is in the Google My Business map pack section right here. So that would be one citation. And the more directories you have citations in, the higher you're going to rank on here. And what a directory is would be like, it'd be a Facebook, a LinkedIn, a City Star, BBB, a Yellow Pages, just some sort of platform for you to for businesses to promote their business or plug in their business info. So what you can actually do when trying to get more citations and trying to optimize that part of your business, you can come to this site. It's called whitespark.ca. It's a paid tool, but what you can do is you can plug in your information, as you can see right here, I've already done, and your competition's information, as you can see. And what you can do with this is you can see your citations and your competition citations. So you guys have 5, which is completely normal. Moore Sons Roofing has 30 citations, and Grand Rapids Roofing Services has 19 citations. So what you can do with this tool is you can actually click into your competition citations and you can see exactly all of the sites that they have plugged their info into, and you can effectively get the exact same type citations. And then you can also see, since you can see the number that they're actually taking from, you would really need to do more. So when we do our citations for our clients, if someone like this that is one of the top dogs in the area has 30 citations, we're going to do 40, we're going to do 50. That's really the way you can edge them out and you can rank a lot higher in the map pack section, gaining more of that higher ranking traffic. And so lastly, let's go over what a backlink is and how backlinks can affect your rankings online. So this tool, another paid tool, is called Ahrefs. I pay around $300 a month for my team and myself. A fantastic tool, and what you can utilize it for is you can see the organic traffic your competition's getting per month, their keywords, their referring domains, and their backlinks, and quite a few other things. But what a backlink is, it's going to be a link from your site to a different site or from a different site to your site. But not all backlinks are created equal. So we can actually go into your competition right here, and you can see Moore & Sons, they're ranking essentially in the organic section right here. They're almost number 1 right after Angie's List and Yelp. So when it comes to an actual local roofing business, they are effectively ranking number 1, right? And they don't have all the many backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. So they have very authoritative backlinks. So what that means is, let's say that they were linked up to a McDonald's, right? McDonald's has a lot of authority online, but since it is completely irrelevant to the industry that these guys are working in, it wouldn't have as much dominance. So what you can do on Ahrefs is you can click into your competition's backlinks and you can see exactly where they're getting their backlinks from. And you can essentially do the same thing with your citations with the backlinks. So you see they have Owens Corning right here. They have Kalamazoo Homes Expo right here. They have a bunch of stuff, a bunch of links from sites that are very, very relevant to their same industry. And you would essentially go on these same websites. And as you can see, I have your other competition pulled in right here. You go on those same websites and you would do the exact same thing for the backlinks. You would maybe drop a certain anchor phrase on your site that says like roofing or like insulation, siding, link it to a different website. And the more of those you do, the more effective your site will rank. So they probably have 31 anchor phrases on their site linking to 756 different backlink pages essentially. And all of that for Grand Rapids Roofing Services is giving them 312 organic traffic per month, which is great for them. Morton Sons is obviously more of a big dog, so they are getting a lot more traffic with 4,100 organic traffic per month. And as you can see right here, you guys have 8 referring domains with 14 backlinks, effectively not very much organic traffic per month, but that is completely normal. And the last thing I wanted to go into, I don't want to make this video too long, but I want to make sure that you can get a couple more tips and tricks. You can actually use the organic keyword section, and this is the part where you would be able to plug it into your content. So kind of like a full circle right here with the video. As soon as it loads, so let's try this one. Let's try this guy as well. There's many options. So what we can do with this is you can see the keywords that they're ranking highest for and how effective they are. So the volume is going to be the amount of volume that the entire keyword is getting per month. And the KD is the keyword difficulty. So essentially like the competition. So you'd like, this is actually a perfect one right here. You have a high volume and a low KD and they're ranking #1 for it. So you would essentially come on like all of your competition sites. You would see what keywords have the best ratios. You would use that into your content, your organic content, and you would plug it in on every single page essentially, and that would help you rank a lot higher in Google. So without making this video too long, thank you for your time. As I said at the beginning, if you like what you watched and you see that I have some knowledge in this space and you would like to move forward, my team and myself, feel free to reach out. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.